Oh, we just had a good night. We felt na this is our best chance to get to the semifinals. We earned the twice to beat advantage, pero alam namin, pag narating namin ang Sunday ito, malamang sa malamang hindi na namin tatalunin yung San Miguel. No? So this is our best chance to beat San Miguel, and we took care of business today. Ganda na nilaro ni Andre, Kaylan on both sides, defending both right and then making his threes, contributing an offense. JJ, the same thing. So marami actually sila nagtulong-tulong, the whole team. So again, it's the toughness, no? Yung kung kailan kailangan yung stop, kung kailan kailangan yung puntos na ibibigay nila. So I think that's a good sign. But maaga pa, no? We made the semifinals, yes, but this is just the start for us. No? And we also knew na this game is going to be won in the margins. No? We prepared for their zone. Alam namin, the first time na kalaban namin sila, nung sinona kami, nawala yung ano namin, yung pace namin. So we prepared for that zone. We were better prepared for them zoning us this time. So ayun, siguro araw lang namin talaga. Pero kung dumating to ng Sunday, I don't think tatalunin namin sila ng Sunday.
Thank you, Coach. And we now open the floor for questions from our friends from the press.
Maybe Andre, level view of your better performances sa playoffs pa. How does it feel like na ito kasi maganda yung nilaro mo? Personally.
Siguro kailangan ko rin bumawi sa mga teammates ko. Dahil ko yung mga games na medyo nado-down ko. And siguro di lang naman ako, no? Yung mga teammates ko, grabe yung nilaro sila. Kaylen, Jalen, lahat na-contribute. So, yun, magandang panalo.
Kasi parang daw this match you get that big 4-pointer to help to get away. Parang at that point ko, parang feeling nyo na kuha nila isang ligay pagka-count ng 4 na.
Hindi rin eh. Alam mo sa PBA, ang dali lang ng 10 points, may 2 minutes, 30 pa ata. So, yun, kailangan ng time na yun. Sabi namin, depensa lang namin, hindi sila makashoot, hindi kayo makashoot, okay lang. Pero, yun.
Great. Gano'n ka na-inspire na yung araw na?
May ganun tanong. Inspired lang ako kasi, syempre, yung nagtatrabaho yung mga teammates yung nakikita ko sila paano sila magtrabaho. Nakaka-inspire na ipanalo yung game. Ay, tama ba yung sagot? Hindi, tsaka yung girlfriend ng mga teammates ko, nagsusupport na. Kaya, nakaka-kabahan ko.
Pero ba't si Bella Villanueva ano nakang bagay yung may support sa'yo na kaibigan?
Kakadraft lang sa after ng finals ng volleyball. First draft pick. And kinabahan ako, baka palitan ako sa point guard. So, kinalit ko.
Coach, yung mga kasi siyempre San Miguel humabol with the whole Filipino lineup of yours during the third. So, ano lang yung mga naging adjustments niyo para ma-maintain yung composure yung
Alam naman namin kahit all Filipino sila, malakas pa rin sila eh, no? But we really did a good job on Junmar today, thanks to JJ. We really did a good job on both right today, defensively, thanks to Kayla. And then, ang talagang nagbigay ng problema sa amin si CJ at si Don. So, yun ang lakas ng San Miguel. May mapigilan ka man sa dalawang player dahil sobrang talented yung team nila. Meron talagang ibang magbibigay ng contribution. So, kahit medyo na depensahan namin yung dalawang malaki nila, magka-problema naman kami rin sa mga guard nila. But again, as I said, I think dahil nakahanda kami dun sa zona, itong mga to, medyo nakuha na yung rhythm nila ng 3-point shooting. So, because we're a little bit more prepared today than the last time, na-survive namin. Pero malakas talaga yung San Miguel. Sabi ko nga, kung natalo kami ngayon, mahirap nang manalo ng Sunday.
Coach, the last time you won against San Miguel na series ng champion kayo, is it a good moment for you?
Of course, no? Pero hindi ako naniniwala sa mga ganun eh. No? But you still have to earn it. No? But it's a good sign, but ang daming factors pa na pwedeng mangyari. Kunyari, manalo yung Ginebra, ang bigat na naman ang kaharap mo. Diba? Kahit Phoenix ang manalo, ang bigat pa rin ng kaharap mo. So, you cannot count your chicks while hindi pa nag-hatch yung mga itlog. So, ano muna tayo? Siguro, we'll enjoy this win for the next day or two. And then, paghahandaan namin kung sino mang kalaban.
Siguro parang, yung Philippine Cup, di po parang twice to 15 kayo, kasi parang kahit ano ka nakabawi nyo yun with this, with taking it by
Yes, pero nakalimutan na namin yun. No? We try to forget those siguro disappointments. No? If you want to move forward, you don't want to carry yung ganong klaseng mga bad memories. No? So, we learned our lessons from those experiences, but after you learn the lesson, you try to move forward. So, yes, nakabawi kami. Pero, hindi na importante ngayon sa amin yun. Ang importante ngayon yung present at yung future. The past is not important.
That answer goes in very well. Thank you very much. Congratulations, Coach Henry.
Thank you.